Two popular VPN giants, Surfshark and private internet access, are here to face off. Which one really delivers? On the left, Surfshark, unlimited devices, streaming-friendly, and top-tier privacy. And on the right, private internet access, with a massive server network, deep customization, and legendary budget pricing. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Here's our battle plan. We'll break things down by price, security and privacy, speed and performance, server coverage, streaming and torrenting, features and usability, customer support, and compatibility. Yep, we're covering every angle. Okay, let's start off with price. Surfshark honestly knocks it out of the park on that 2-year plan. It's insanely low per month. Plus, you get the 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no real risk if you want to dip your toes in. Small thing, though, their monthly option is a little pricier if you just want to try it short-term. Now, PIA? Well, they come back swinging with the cheapest price, but only if you lock in for something crazy like 3 years. Same guarantee, of course. So, when it comes to value, both are seriously strong if you're in it for the long haul. I'd say it's a tie here. No clear winner. Next up, security and privacy. Super important, right? Surfshark is rock solid here. Like independent audits to back up their no-logs claims, RAM-only servers, Netherlands HQ, which is nice and privacy-friendly, and all the latest encryption tech. No drama. PIA, they're definitely in the same league, thanks to their own independent audit and RAM servers. But, well, they're based in the US, which some people get iffy about because of, all the Five Eyes stuff. Plus, their privacy policy isn't quite as transparent. So Surfshark just edges ahead here. Let's talk about speed and performance. It's always heartbreaking when a VPN slows you down, right? Surfshark has 10 Gbps servers. It's fast basically everywhere. And streaming or downloads? Smooth. With PIA, the huge network helps with congestion. But, okay, sometimes some locations are just slower than you'd expect, So for reliable speed, Surfshark takes it this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Surfshark lets you connect unlimited devices at the same time? Seriously, while most VPNs, including PIA, shut you down after 10. Gotta love a VPN that shares. Server coverage. How many options do you really want? Surfshark gives you access in 100 countries, which is crazy broad. Now, here's where PIA just flexes. They have over 35,000 servers. Like, what? That's a wild number and is honestly the envy of every other VPN. Slightly fewer countries than Surfshark, but you're not going to struggle for a good connection. So this one, PIA's got the edge. Now, streaming and torrenting, super important if you're into Netflix marathons or just lots of downloads. Surfshark really nails this. It's like every streaming platform just unblocks without a fight. Plus, you can connect unlimited devices for that next-level binge. PIA's solid for torrenting, and you'll unlock some streaming, but honestly, it's not as reliable on all platforms. Streaming fans, Surfshark wins here. Let's go through features and usability. Surfshark sprinkles in some great stuff. Ad blocker, malware blocker, even cookie pop-up blocking. And the app is actually really clean and easy to use. Also, unlimited devices. Did I mention that already? So useful. The advanced users out there might miss some custom tweakability compared to PIA, though. Now, PIA is all about those power user options. Multi-hop, SOCKS 5 proxy, shadow SOCKS, all the customizing you could dream of. But you only get 10 devices at max. So for most users, Surfshark's user-friendliness and unlimited devices just takes it. How about customer support? With Surfshark, it's 24/7 live chat, super quick responses, and honestly, their knowledge base is exhaustive, never left hanging. PIA also offers live chat, and their forum is pretty active if you like digging around. But sometimes it feels like response times are a bit hit or miss. So yeah, Surfshark edges out another win here. Finally, compatibility. Both are killing it here, really. Surfshark covers just about everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, browsers, Fire TV, Apple TV, smart TVs, you name it. PIA answers back with basically the same plus Opera support for browser users, so no one left disappointed. It's a tie. Just look at the numbers. Surfshark really stands out for security, speed, streaming, and easy support, while PIA commands with its unmatched server count and advanced settings. In a lot of categories, they go neck and neck. So, who wins? If you want airtight security, endless device connections, and streaming you don't need to worry about, Surfshark is honestly where I'd land. But if you're out here for the most servers, love tuning every last setting, and want to save a few bucks over 3 years, PIA is a seriously epic option. They each have their strengths, but Surfshark nudges out as the best pick for most people in 2025.
Found this VPN battle interesting? Stick around, we've got plenty more privacy tool face-offs coming up, and you won't want to miss the next one.